Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. We're here at the Target. Let's see what we have right now for today. Did came across this one with the gold wheels. Hot Wheels monster truck. See anything else? Here's another one. It's a shark, I believe. Mega Rex. Cool. Here's another one. Bone shaker. Nice. Okay, 2 packs. Alright, here's a really cool Power Rolled Nissan. Nice. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Optimus Prime. Ooh, here's a cool one. Let's see if it works. Nice. There you go. The lights are on. Back to the Future. Time machine. Okay. Pink slip. Not much. Here's a cool Ferraris. Alright. Ooh, here's a Fast and Furious. I already have this one. Nissan Skyline GTR. It's a cool one. Here's a nice Lambo. Nice. Alright, Fast and Furious. Oh, there's a Back to the Future. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see what we else have here. There's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 8-pack Matchbox. Super Mario. Okay. I came across this one. I don't know, should I get it or not? Maybe I'll pass on it. Toyota Soarer Kosoku Howler. It's pretty cool. It's the front. I was actually looking for this HW Hall, Raleigh Hauler, and DMC DeLorean, but somebody already got it. There's the Audi. Even this one is pretty cool, so I think I'll leave that for somebody else. Passing that one. Let's see if we have anything with Ultra Hots. Sorry about the music in the background. So I hope YouTube don't delete my video or block it because of the music. It's playing too loud. Kit. Alright. Not much from the Fast and Furious, only the Toyota Land Rover. Alright. Here, pullback from Hot Wheels. Everything's old except they still have this Porsche 914 Safari, which is I believe treasure hunt. There's a little circle. The side of the window, right there you can see. It's colored in black. Alright, there's that one. And let's see what else we have here. I think this is new for 2025. Morgan Super 3. And then we have another one, which is like blue-green. Alright, anything else? This looks old stuff. There's a cool bus. Alright. I already got this one. Hako Type D Toyota. It's a JDM. And I think this is Toyota Supra, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I think I saw one right here. Let's see, where did I see it? Okay, I think I saw it right here. Alright, let's see. Let's compare to this one. So, here we go. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a Toyota Celica Supra? It's kind of similar. can see it. Mhm. Let's see what else we can find out here. This one. Okay. Oops. Don't keep dropping stuff. So I did came across this Johnny Lighting Typhoon, which is custom lime gold green. So I'll be getting this one. There we go. So there you go, everybody. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and peace out, everybody. Till next time, go hunting.